Hello and welcome to Easy English Listening. My name is John. Today we will talk about the Internet. The Internet is very useful in our daily life. We use it to talk to friends, find information, watch videos, and even work or study. In this podcast, we will talk about why the Internet is important, how we use it every day, and how it helps us learn English. We will also learn new words that will help you speak English better. Are you ready? Let's start. Sarah, why do you think the Internet is important?
The Internet helps us find information. If I have a question, I can look online and find an answer quickly.
Yes. Before the Internet, people had to read books or ask other people to find answers. But now, we can search online and get information in seconds.
That's right. The Internet also helps us talk to people. Even if they are far away, we can send messages, make calls, and see them on video.
Yes. I have a friend in another country. We talk every day because of the Internet.
The Internet also helps people work and study. Many students use it to learn new things.
That's true. I use the Internet to read news, watch videos, and study English.
Me too. There are many websites and apps that help people learn languages.
The Internet is a great tool for learning.
And not just for learning. People also use the Internet for entertainment. You can watch movies, listen to music, and play games online.
Yes. Many people like to watch funny videos or listen to songs on the Internet.
And don't forget social media. Many people use the Internet to share photos, write posts, and talk with friends.
That's true. The Internet connects people all over the world. Sarah, how do you use the Internet every day?
I use the Internet to send emails and watch videos. I also read articles online.
That's great. I use the Internet to read the news and chat with friends.
Many people also use the Internet for shopping. You can buy clothes, books, and food online.
Yes. Some people order food online and it comes to their house.
The Internet also helps people with banking. You don't need to go to a bank. You can send and receive money online.
That's very useful. And many people use the Internet for entertainment. They listen to music, watch movies, and play games.
Yes, the Internet helps people relax and have fun.
The Internet is very helpful. But do you think the Internet has problems too, Sarah?
Yes, some people spend too much time online. They forget to talk to family and friends in real life.
That's true. Some people stay on the Internet all day and don't go outside.
Also, not everything on the Internet is true. Some information is wrong.
Yes. It's important to check if a website is safe and correct before you believe the information.
And sometimes the Internet can be dangerous. People should not share personal information online.
That's right. Always be careful when using the Internet. Now, I will talk about important words from today's podcast. I will explain them, give examples, and help you use them. The first word is Internet. The Internet is a place where we find information and talk to others online. Example: I use the Internet to watch videos. Another example: The internet helps me learn English. The next word is online. Online means connected to the internet. Example, she studies English online. Another example, I talk to my friends online every day. Now, let's talk about search. Search means to look for something on the internet. Example, I search for new words in the dictionary. Another example, he searches for cooking recipes online. Next is website. A website is a place on the internet where we read or watch things. Example, Google is a famous website. Another example, I visit a website to learn English. Now, let's talk about message. A message is a short text we send online. Example, I send messages to my friends every day. Another example, she got a message from her teacher. The next word is video. A video is something we watch online. Example, I watch English videos to learn new words. Another example, he makes funny videos for his friends. Let's talk about download. Download means to take something from the internet to your computer or phone. Example, I download music from the internet. Another example, she downloads English lessons to study later. One more word is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is the internet connection in your house, school, or cafe. Example, I use Wi-Fi to watch movies at home. Another example, there is free Wi-Fi in the coffee shop. So today, we talked about the internet and how it helps us learn, talk, work, and have fun. We also learned new words like internet, online, search, website, message, video, download, and Wi-Fi. Now try to use these words in your own sentences. Think about these questions. How do you use the internet? What websites do you visit every day? Can you use one of today's words in a sentence? You can write your answers or say them out loud to practice. Thank you for listening. See you next time on Easy English Listening.